the process of forming crystals in a solution of a crystalline substance. When a salt contains water of crystallization, then crystallization is carried out, otherwise an anhydrous salt is produced. Hydrated copper 2 sulfate, which contains the 5H2O, magnesium sulfate, which contains 7H2O, and hydrated sodium carbonate, which contains 10H2O. We heat or boil the filtrate, and it's heated or boiled on a steam bath, and we heat it until crystallization point. Now the crystallization point is determined by dipping a glass rod into the heated solution. Take it out, and if crystals form on the rod, then it is at the point of crystallization. To produce hydrated crystals which contain water of crystallization, whereas heating to dryness produces an anhydrous powder. A saturated solution. Now, a saturated solution is a solution which contains the maximum amount of dissolved material at a particular temperature. It has to be left to cool, and whenever it cools down, we get the crystals forming in the solution. Now the crystals are removed from the solution by filtration, and the crystals will be in our filter paper. Those crystals will be covered with some of the solution that they came from, so we need to wash them with minimal amounts of cold distilled water. Now we use minimal amounts so the crystals don't dissolve. We use cold distilled water so the crystals don't dissolve, and we use distilled water because distilled water is pure. They're washed to remove soluble impurities from the surface of the crystals. Dry the crystals between 2 wads of filter paper. An oven would dry the crystals and remove the water of crystallization, leaving anhydrous powder, whereas filter paper dries the crystals but does not remove water of crystallization from inside the crystal structure.